Hi folks, and especially to the freaking legends who have already subscribed. Thanks for clicking and sticking with the channel so far. Your support means a great deal to me. Now cue the pointless intro. That's enough of that, but not enough of this, and by this I mean this! Yes, I've got a fever for the flavour, and that flavour is the famously fishy stonk of the mighty Aussie Barra. Yeah, by now you know I've chosen the Barra over the carp burrata. See what I did there? Me neither. And I must say in a meaningful way that the mechanical matters are now afoot and at a manic pace. Yeah, pure petrol head pandemonium right there. But it's always a good time when there's an XD Falcon on a hoist intentionally, and especially if it's intentionally and specifically being hoisted by the good folks at the car garage. As you can see with your ravenous eye tongues, the custard cake tin is now custardless, or should I say crossflowless. Yes, let the purists out there who have had a great interest in what happens to this car yet utterly no interest in buying it before I swooped in, let out a collective and frankly mentally corrosive sigh as the 200 cubic oink crossy goes to pasture. With that said, I've had some great times with this baby 3.3 litre 6, sometimes a little longer than others, for example accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometres per hour in a face-melting 16.3 seconds on the way to a wife-stealing 21-second quarter mile. In fact, strap on your nerd goggles and follow me down into the Fuel Burn Media Data Lab. Alright nerds, welcome to the lab. I won't bang on about the V8 versus Barra debate any longer, but here in the lab I will reveal that I'm not going for a turbo. No! Two reasons why not. One, I can't afford it, not right now anyway, and two, that's not what this car is about. I'm not chasing power, remember? I'm chasing million-mile taxicab reliability. But even if power was the pursuit, let's consider what the car had with the 3.3 litre Crossflow and what the car will have with the 4 litre BF Barra. In this highly sophisticated power and torque comparison graph, you'll see the old Crossy is represented by the orange data and the naturally aspirated BF Barra is represented by the blue data. The 190 kilowatts of the Barra is a whopping 132% increase over the 82 kilowatt Crossy. In simpler terms, that's over double the power. Even the torque is a substantial increase. Picture this, it's 1979. Malcolm Fraser is the PM. The original Mad Max is in theatres. My Sharona is dominating the airwaves, and I drive my brand new XD Falcon wagon into a mod shop and drive out with these absolutely crazy power and torque increases. It's insanity and obscenity piled copiously upon even more insanity and obscenity. Truly remarkable numbers. Here in the second of my two highly sophisticated graphs, we find some performance numbers in the realm of acceleration. The Barra absolutely torches the baby Crossy from 0 to 100. In fact, it's over twice as fast. And let it not be lost on your juicy moist mind muscles that my XD is 300 kilograms lighter than a BF Falcon. So it's fair to assume an even faster time is achievable thanks to my favourable power to weight ratio. So is a turbo necessary given what I need this car to do? Nope. With all this said, check out that quarter mile comparison again. I'm actually a little surprised to see just how close those quarter mile times are. Good for you, baby Crossy. Good for you. Back here in the car garage workshop of dreams, I can confirm the progress to date on the infamous Barra swap also includes the removal of the original Borg-Warner 3-speed transmission and that toothpick exhaust. Taking their respective places will be a BTR 4-speed box and a 2.5-inch single pipe exhaust fitted in the original position to meet the engineering requirements agreed upon in my previous videos. I'll go into greater detail on both the transmission and the exhaust in future updates. Until then, for more on the BTR transmission, there's a great article from Street Machine just begging for your eye tongues to taste. The link is in the description. And that will bring us to a close today. If you enjoyed my silly little iPhone footage Barra swap update, feel free to like the video, share it in your favourite Facebook groups, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you hated the video, hit the dislike button twice, and also comment some links to the perfect videos you make. Okay, see you, bye!